World's Best Cocktails in December 2020, brought to you by Advanced Mixology. Hello, cocktail-loving people. We're here again with the 10 of the world's best cocktails in December you can recreate at home. Check the link given in the description box below for the recipes and the full review. 1. Nagomi. This uniquely smooth concoction highlights the mellow sweetness of the whiskey and is balanced by the bitterness of the matcha. 2. Cranberry Giving. Here's something to go along with your pot roast on Christmas Eve: a cranberry gin cocktail with raspberry and fresh lime juice in a chilled glass. 3. Pinchier Plums. You'll surely be delighted with the brilliant use of fresh plums in this one. 4. Ghostly Apple Cocktail. The dry ice is just for eye candy, but it will make you want to grab that glass and knock back. 5. Sweet Chili Melon. There's also chili syrup in this refreshing tropical drink to give you that warmth of sweet chili. 6. White Christmas. This star-studded cocktail is made with pineapple, banana, ginger, lime, vanilla, and coconut milk. 7. Spiced Mocha Espresso Rumtini. It's a coffee-based rum liqueur with hints of mocha and spice. 8. The Blue Sun. It's got tequila, blue curacao, and a watercolor painting of a clear summer day, all mixed into one drink. 9. Apple Rose Gin Tonic. The iconic gin and tonic partnership is up there along with the likes of peanut butter and jelly, salt and pepper, and bacon and eggs. 10. Flying Raspberries. Take a break from the usual gin and tonic with this fizzy, buzzy, and refreshing raspberry gin cocktail. Learn more about cocktails and liquors at our website, advancedmixology.com.